Let's see how to install Privy on Android. Do not forget please to like, share and subscribe. Let's see how to install Privy on Android. Now let's tap on Google Play. On the search above write Privy. After you have found the app, just tap on Install and wait. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Now tap on the arrow button. Again, the same. Now write your phone number to verify your identity. You will receive a security code that you will need to write. Now write your name and your username. Tap on Next. No, I don't have an invite. You have installed Privy and now you can create your first space. Thank you, and please subscribe and give us a like and a share.